How to join FPL League with code or Fantasy Premier League Private League guide. So the very first thing that you want to do is of course download Premier League from your Google Play Store or any available app store that you can use on your end and ensure that you're running the latest version of the app. Now once you access it, ensure that you're already logged in into your Premier League account. Entering the code is very easy. All you have to do first is you could go directly into Fantasy at the lower left portion of your screen, and from here just simply tapping on Join League and input the code, or you could actually go into More and then go to Leagues and Cups, and then choose on Join Invitational League and Cup, and that is where you can input or enter your league code. Now, the other thing that you need to check is make sure that the code you're entering is valid so that you will or you can join the league without any problems and issues. And that's it. That's how you join FPL League with the code.